Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve's here. Welcome back again. Another unboxing video. Last video I unboxed the small rig cold shoe mount adapter extension for my A7 III. And that was blind. I only have one more package, which means this has to be the capture card. Before I actually open it up, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up. I really appreciate it. The capture card that I have, it's not an Elgato. I found something cheap that I just wanted to see if it worked just as good. And maybe I'll review it and let you guys know who are just starting out if it's worth your money. It was only $21.99. So I mean, if you want to buy the Cam Link from Elgato, it's obviously a great capture card, but I think it's like $110. So if you can't afford right now to spend $100, $200 on a capture card, that's why I'm here. I want to try this one out and let you guys know if it's good for you guys to start with. So like I said, this is $21.99. It is a Winkoox audio video capture card, 4K, HDMI to USB 3. And it was $21.99. And we'll open it. Okay, pretty standard generic packaging. You can see right here. Yeah, it is similar in size to the Cam Link. It's just a USB with a HDMI port at the end. I'm currently using the HD60S Plus whenever I need to use a capture card. And this one, you know, it has an extra HDMI out so I can connect it to my TV or monitor. But let's see what's in this box. All right, we have get $5 from us. Just scan the QR code to get in touch. I don't know if I'll ever be purchasing something else from them again. Maybe I will give you guys $5. Okay, we have the user's manual right there. And then here it is. As you can see, it's just your standard USB to HDMI capture card. Pretty much just like the Cam Link. This end goes into your laptop, and then you would just connect whatever your HDMI device is, whether it's my Canon M50 or my Sony A7 III. So I'm going to actually test this for maybe a week or two and then do a review, but that's pretty much it for this HDMI capture card. And it's the Winkoox audio video capture card, 4K Cam Link card, HDMI to USB 3. $21.99 on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell again, leave all your comments below. Criticize me, ask me questions, it doesn't matter. I welcome all interactions. Until next time, peace. Talk to you later.